ఓయ్ చింపేగిరా రే. ఏంటంటే కళ్ళు అనమాట. దీన్ని ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు కాల్ యాజ్ ఐస్. ఇఫ్ యూ కట్ దిస్, which one, cut into small piece and cover the soil, automatically new plants have to come in. Okay na? And next one, this is the ginger, and if this ginger also example for asexual reproduction. So if you cover or buried in the soil, easily have to get the new plants from the nodes here. And next, this is the bryophyllum plant. See, already this plant is called as bryophyllum plant. What do you call this one? Bryophyllum. So here this is called as leaf blade. This is leaf blade. This is the leaf edge. Even though the plant this leaf is not detached from the plant, so already attached. So see how the new plants are coming.
Yes, sir.
New baby plants are coming. So when the leaf is detached or falling on the soil, and new plants have to get. Okay na? This is also best example for asexual reproduction through the leaf. Okay na? This is the ginger, and ginger also not getting any seeds, and like potato also won't get. Okay na?